How to treat your dog for dehydration. Dehydration is caused by the excessive loss of fluids. The condition must be treated by the replacement of fluids. It can result from a dog being kept in hot conditions for too long or from illness. Vomiting and diarrhea or a high fever will all cause dehydration. When a dog becomes dehydrating, the electrolytes in the dog's bodily fluids get out of balance. The electrolytes are mineral salts such as sodium, potassium and chloride. This can result in damage to organs such as the kidneys and liver. Ultimately, this can prove fatal. Dogs do not have sweat glands like humans, so they cool themselves by panting. This can lead to dehydrations, just like excessive sweating can lead to dehydration in humans. A dog must always have access to clean, fresh water. Keep a bowl of water accessible to the dog at all times in the house, yard and dog pen. If you use a dog pen in the house, make sure there is water available there too. Change the water in all the dog's bowls at least every day. Never let the dog become overheated. Do not let it stay out in the yard in hot weather unless it has shade. But it is better to bring it indoors, especially if you live in a warm climate. Dogs with a heavy coat are very prone to overheating. It may be best to have them clipped for summer. Dogs should not be left in cars. Even with the window open slightly, a car can quickly overheat. This can happen even in winter because the car acts like a greenhouse. So if you need to leave the dog, when you go into a store, say, tether it somewhere shady. Encourage local stores to have a dog tethering spot at which water is available. When you take your dog for a walk, and especially if you take it jogging with you, make sure it has access to water. Many dogs will happily lap water poured from your own water bottle. You can pour some into your hands if the dog can't drink from a jet of water. It's a good idea to keep some water and a bowl in the car. If your dog becomes seriously dehydrated, you will notice that his nose is dry, its eyes look sunken and its skin lacks elasticity. A good test is to press the gums, and if the color comes back quickly after you release the pressure, then the dog is hydrated. But if the color comes back only slowly, then the dog may be dehydrated. A seriously dehydrated dog should only be allowed to drink water in small amounts slowly. Too much water all at once and it will vomit, which will only add to the problem. Dried food is best for a dog's dental health, but always make sure it has plenty of water too. If your dog is drinking from the toilet bowl, this is not a good idea because there can be unpleasant chemical cleaners used in the bathroom. Give the dog more water in its own bowl. To learn more how to take care of your dog's health, click in bio.